Hello everyone, Peter here, Piotr Fisner. Today we don't have my usual t-shirt, yes. Maybe looking a bit different. But what we have today is Nintendo Switch and a digitizer. So that's a bit of a work. It came, but I don't see a sticker on it. I don't see anything, that we could use to attach it with. Unfortunately, that's the case. So we will have to use our own glue. What can you do? Sometimes they are coming with, sometimes they are coming without. As you see, I still didn't move the room. I've got plenty of. I finished that TV. That TV has new set of LEDs. I'll finish this. I've got PS5 to repair. Hopefully no further help from like decoder or someone else won't be needed, but I will be able to solve it myself because it's quite a new console. I don't have them so many. And yeah, and I'm doing that TV over there. Yes, that's a TV, only the display is here. It's cracked, so I will be using that one as a table to repair all LVDS problems from now on. And so I will be using either that table at the back or this table. We will see how it will go, but I need to move tons of stuff around still, so still quite a bit. That's why I'm just gradually trying to reallocate. Now I will be moving stuff out from here just to make a space over there and then bringing back stuff here and then installing my system for the small containers. Tons. But anyway, let's go back to the Nintendo. So let's move those Joy-Cons aside. Okay, I do see here that it's a bit too dark. The opposite way. Okay, that should do. Now we need two types of screwdrivers. We need here. Just the regular. I've prepared myself, so just the small screw of PH00 or smaller. Just need to fit that in. If you know how to disassemble it, just skip it, because I can't skip it and I don't want to use 2 hours to then make this video short. So it's easier for you to just click skip and that's it. Those who can, please like video if that's okay with you, or if you haven't subscribed and you see a value out of this YouTube channel, then okay. You get 5 screws on this side and then will be 5 screws on the other side as well. These can, you see, start to fall out, so if you unscrewing it, just be careful, because if no, do them last. It's easier to do them last if you don't know what you're doing. Just because if you damage something, that will be on to you. I've got 2 spare ones, yes, so I can always use parts from my ones, but if you're gonna damage something, then it will cost you to fix it even more. Whereas this Nintendo Switch had USB charging port replaced by myself, and it's fine, it's working okay. So now it's only a matter of replacing the digitizer. Okay, so I'm using those compartments here to put screws one after another. This way it's it's easier. Don't know if it's on or off. Oh, now I'm switching it on. Oh well. Oh, the battery is low. That's good, so it won't turn on. That's fine. So here, yes, here should be still the same screws as far as I remember. My eyesight is not great, so don't quote me if I'm wrong. Yes, the same screws. Just they are tiny for the charging port, they are just short. Okay, now at the rear here you've got one screw here and then 4 here. But why are we short? I was just doing this Nintendo and we shouldn't be short of any screws. Now that's weird. You give the you give the switch back to the customer and you don't expect it to, you know, to go and miss something, whereas it is what it is. Okay, so let's swap now this screwdriver. Now we got like a Y screwdriver. You won't see it, but it is like a Y. So these should be 4 screws here in each corner. Unfortunately will be 3 only, unless I'm blind and I don't see the last one. No, it is what I just told. We don't expect here a lot of dust because it was just opened. Yeah. And now the second part of doing this procedure is to remove this one. Now you can change this screwdriver to your regular cross one. Now you can unscrew this SIM card, or it's a SD card, sorry, SD card, micro SD. You can lift it up and just raise it up. Oh, now it's fine. And now you've got several screws, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and all you need to do is you just pretty much unscrew them. So again, you can skip a bit. Yes, 1. From what I remember, they have the same length. Now, we don't care about damaging digitizer, we only care about not damaging the display, yes? But we can damage the digitizer because it's damaged anyway. So what we will do is, normally you use hot air to remove it, and we will see maybe we can do it without, because not everyone has a hot air. Oh, there's somewhere one more screw, which I don't remember about. That's quite interesting. I wouldn't say there's more screws anywhere. Literally, it's looking like there's one more screw somewhere here, but I don't remember any. What's wrong with you? Now guys, I'm a bit confused because I know it was just going out and it should go out. And why it's holding? It didn't have any glue or anything left over there. I need to use my light. Sorry, you'll have to bright for now. There's nothing extraordinary. You know what it is? I'll tell you what it is. It's a viscous stuff. So what it is, it's I was using it, I was calling it for a joke, vicious. That is viscous stuff. That means it did a good job, but it's stuck to this surface here. So anyways, let's get it off. So yeah, I've done it so that it will have better, you know, I didn't want to use regular thermal paste because it's liquid. So this one is creating like something which is stable, but it's you know, it's stiff at the same time. So it gets your air properly out. Okay, so here is this, and this we need to take out. Those two. That's the same screw what you had just before. This one. Can we remove it without? No, we can't. So we have to. Well, we will have to probably. That's this here, and that's this. Yeah, that's the problem, you know. I don't remember things from top of my head. Okay, that can go out. And now this one is for the screen. This one can't go inside. Oh, now it's okay. So now we can try. Can put one screw here for stability on each side. Okay. Now I don't have to worry about it. Now I'll put on this side as well. To be true, I could leave it, I think, even, and that would be fine, but apart from the middle one, because the middle one has a, you see here has this, the rest would be fine if I would leave them, but it's okay, it's irrelevant right now. What we can do is we can turn it around and get going with this digitizer. So without hot air, can we get it off? Or it's impossible to take it off without hot air. It's looking like some sort of foil on the surface, and then the surface underneath, you see, seems to be okay. So guys, in this case I would say this customer is saved. And what I've been told for, you know, like a digitizer doesn't have to be done. So it's only the screen protector has to be installed and stuff will be okay. Look, I'll charge it and I will see, but I don't see any damage, you know, like there is a tiny bit of damage, but I would say, you know, like that's okay, that's a-okay, because the touch screen now I'll put it here and I'll show you. That's a good, you see, that was the screen protector, the same here, only it's dusty, yes, but that's the same thing. So it's okay. I can put it back together and I can say to the customer that all they need is a screen protector. Because to be true, why they have to pay, you know, pay for anything else? I won't be touching it. I'll charge it, yes, that's why, you know. But I don't see any cracks or anything. It's looking okay. And because of that, no problem. Where's my charger? Nintendo Switch charger. Because otherwise I would have to use my 5-volt charger, and I prefer to use 15-volt charger. So that will be charging with 12 volts. About 0.9 amp, I think. I'll pause and I'll find the charger first. Okay guys, so I've plugged in back the screen connector which we disconnected, or the digitizer connector which we've disconnected, and we get a charging back. Okay, so it's taking 0.46 yeah, 0.50, but I've got the 5-volt charger, so I don't think it will work. So it's working for the charging part, but with this one it's 15 volts, so yay. Yeah, it is charging now. We've got a Nintendo. I don't see any damage on the screen, so we need to wait because that's a, you know, that's a fully discharged battery. I'll wait, but I've seen already that the screen is fine. So guys, unfortunately we can't replace it because that was the fault. The whole primary fault was only this, and I should, you know, look and I should think, but because I don't do them on an everyday basis, I do them, but you know, I do them every so often. Yes, I've got 2 to be done right now, with no power, one with a faulty digitizer as well. So no, I don't do them on a daily basis. That's why I don't know. But I'm happy that, you know, customer didn't have to spend money on this. I'll put everything back together. I will wait first when it will charge, let it charge. I'll put everything back together, test it, and I will say that to the customer that can pick it up, and it will be up to the customer if customer wants a screen protector or not. But as you see, in this case, screen protector saved this Nintendo Switch, so you see the importance of it. Customer don't have to pay now for the replacement of the digitizer, so it is thumbs up to the screen protector. But if I would have more practice, I wouldn't do myself a work, and that's on me. That's my, you can call it a clusterfuck if you like, because I shouldn't do it. Now I know, now I've got a lesson taught, and that's it guys. If possible, please like the video. Hopefully you've got a lesson out of it as well, to not change, not open first check if that's the that's the screen protector. I'll put everything back together, and I'll be happy that the customer can have it working. Customer have new game pads. I bought them for 25 and I'll sell them for 25 on eBay. I mean, I bought them on eBay and I'll sell them to this customer for 25, and then, you know, then customer can have it back up and running. Fingers crossed customer will order the screen protector. If no, that will be on to the customer. What I could put is I could put this device here, which is behind, zero-way screen protector device which can cut screen protectors, but that's only from scratches. That won't protect from nasty stuff as it happened here. That's why I will ask customer if customer want to order proper screen protector. If she will say yes, then I won't be, you know, I won't be putting this one. If she will say, I'll think about it, then I will put this one just in case. It's better to, you know, take it off. Oh, battery is dying. But that's okay. That's the end of the video anyway. So yeah, now you know the whole story. Sorry that I couldn't, you know, replace it. I thought I will have this job, but in that case no point for a customer, you know, to just remove it to put the same new one. Both are working, so what's the point? So that's it, guys. That's everything in this video. If possible, please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.